Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying your phone's software and available storage so the process runs smoothly. Once done, decide what the QR will contain: a URL, contact card, Wi-Fi info, or payment link, because that determines format and privacy. Now install or open a trusted QR generator app or a secure web tool. You'll grant minimal permissions, allow camera access if the app needs to scan templates. Make sure to pick high contrast for later scanning. You now input the exact content. Mistyped URLs or phone numbers break the code, so double check. Next, choose size and error correction level. Higher correction tolerates damage but increases density. Pick H for logos or printing. Customize colors and optional logo, but keep contrast high to ensure scanners read it. Once customized, generate a preview and immediately scan it with your phone camera or a scanner app to verify functionality and that the link opens correctly. You should export the QR as PNG for screens or SVG/PDF for printing. Choose 300 dpi for print and back up the file to cloud storage. Then share it by message, embed it in a document, or set it as phone wallpaper for quick access, but test each use case. If scanners struggle, increase contrast, remove background patterns or logos, and raise error correction. Finally, retest after changes. If problems persist, recreate the code with a simpler payload.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.